Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Ethereum, my price prediction and chart analysis of Ethereum for the month of June. So if you're wondering, should you buy Ethereum? Should you sell? What's happening? I will answer all of your questions in this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purpose only. So here I am on Ethereum's chart. And when it comes to making money in crypto, you need to do two simple things. You need chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high. And you need risk management, which is a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. And if this sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain. So here I am on the daily chart. We always want to look at the daily chart because we want to look at the big picture. The big picture gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to, and it prevents us from buying high and selling low. For example, during this peak right here, there's people who bought in here and the price dropped 58%, which caused them to buy high and sell low. And we don't want to do that. Next up, we go on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart gives us a more detailed look at the chart, so we know, so we can draw our chart pattern and know where to buy low and sell high. So what do I see? I see a ascending triangle, and this is an ascending triangle. So let me draw a chart pattern for you. Whenever you're drawing a chart pattern, you want the lines to touch the candlesticks at least twice. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, awesome. And then right here, like this. So you see how it's touching once, twice, 3 time, awesome. Like this. All right, so wouldn't you say that this chart pattern looks like an ascending triangle? And an ascending triangle is a bullish chart pattern where price goes to something like this. It squeezes within the triangle, and then it has a high probability of breaking up. Why is that? Because you have to look at the underlying psychology of the chart. So you see that you see how the price is going higher, it's sloping higher. It's called a higher low. So it means that people are willing to step in to buy at a higher price. Notice how people are stepping in right here. The people stepped in at $1,921, and they're stepping in at $2,197, etc. They're stepping in to buy at a higher price. And this thing right here is called resistance. And this line right here, for those who don't know, resistance is a price level where people think it's too expensive, so they step in to sell. Notice how the price touched here, and then it dipped 34%. Notice how the price touched this price level again, and then it dipped 22%. So what usually happens? Is that the price will go up like this. It touches, it bounces, and then eventually it squeezes and it bounces back up. It breaks up. All right. So that's our chart pattern. And next up, what we want to do is we want to use risk management. And let me give you an example of risk management. So say the price goes down like this. And you want to enter here because it has a high probability of bouncing back up. This line is called support, and it's basically a line where a price level where people think it's cheap, so they step in to buy. Notice how the price touched support here, and then it bounced 50%. Notice how the price touched here again, and then it bounced 19%. So if the price goes back down here, it has a high probability of bouncing back up. So what we do is we use risk management. And risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. So let me give you an example. So say that in this example right here, you enter a trade with $5,000, all right, $5,000, and then the price goes up like this because you're holding with strong hands, all right, it goes up like this. And this would be a logical area to take profit because this is resistance and price has a probability of going down. Of course, if you're a long-term holder, you don't have to sell everything. You can just sell some. So if you enter a trade with $5,000, you would have gained 18% of that $5,000. However, if the price breaks down like this and hits your stop loss and you automatically sell all of your coins, then you would lose 3.6%. So you see how you have the potential to gain 18% but lose 3.6%. This is how you trade with a mathematical edge, and this is how you make money over a long run. So you combine chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high, and you combine risk management. So you make more money than you lose. This is how you make money over a long run. So what do I see for June? You came here for the price prediction, so I'm giving it to you. So on the daily chart right here, we go on a daily to look at the big picture, and the indicators look like it's bullish. It does look like it wants to curve up, and the MACD histogram looks a bit bullish. So it has a decent probability of going back up. And so what we always do is use risk management. So if it does break up, let's see here. So what if it does break up? Then it could do something like this. So my first bullish price target would be $3,466, and the next target would be $4,320. So the price needs to go up by 62% if we're still in a bullish market. And this is highly dependent on what Bitcoin decides to do. So you don't know for sure because the market can go up or it can go down. Yes, everyone knows that. But what's important and what people don't usually do is they use risk management. And you need to use risk management so you gain more money than you lose. Anyways, friends, if you have enjoyed this video and if you have liked how I have explained technical analysis, then you would enjoy joining my premium Telegram group. So if you've been losing money in crypto because of the crash, then my Telegram group will help you become the smart money and become a better trader and investor. So when you join the group, you get a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and you get access to my trading course so you learn how to trade with confidence. So you know how to look at the chart and when to enter and when to sell, and much more. Membership starts at $37. There's 86 of us. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's pretty fun. To contact me, click on the video description, and here's my Telegram address. Just click here to chat with me on Telegram to join. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I do hope that you have made money during the bull run, and I do hope that you have found this video informative. Anyways, if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more awesome content to come. Thank you.